To address a Maytag dryer issue, specifically the F3E3 error code, it's essential to understand what this code signifies. The F3E3 error code indicates an air inlet malfunction in the dryer. Common causes of this system failure include a faulty thermistor or a defective control board. To resolve the issue, start by resetting the dryer. Unplug it, wait about a minute, and then plug it back in. If the error code persists after the reset, it's advisable to contact a technician. Another step is to test the thermistor by switching off the dryer, disconnecting it, and removing the thermistor. Using a multimeter, place each probe on one of the thermistor's terminals. It should read 10 ohms if the reading is off. Replace the thermistor. If the issue stems from the control board, replace it by turning off the dryer, disconnecting it from the power source, turning off the gas, and removing the top panel. Then, unplug the wires connected to the control board, remove the faulty board, and slot in the new one, securing it and reassembling the dryer. These steps should help resolve the F3E3 error code issue.